Hey everyone, welcome back. So lately I've been seeing a ton of posts and videos talking about an easy hack trick to get unlimited banknotes in Last Asylum, and apparently you can do it straight from your phone. Honestly, it sounded pretty questionable to me. Stuff like this usually ends up being fake or way overhyped. But instead of just ignoring it, I decided to actually put it to the test myself. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the entire process I tried, show you exactly what happened along the way, and by the end, we'll see if this method is legit or just another myth floating around. First, you'll need your player ID. You can usually find it in your profile or somewhere in the settings. For me, it only took a few seconds to locate. Once I had it, I copied it and saved it so I could use it later. Pretty simple step. Nothing complicated here. Next, I opened up a browser on my phone. I'm using Chrome, but honestly, any browser should work. I searched for the site everyone was talking about. When it loaded, I didn't get any weird pop-ups or redirects. The page actually looked clean and normal, which I didn't really expect. So, once I landed on the website, I went straight to the search bar and typed in Last Asylum to see what would come up. From there, I picked my device. I'm using Android, but I noticed they had an option for iOS users too. Next, I had to enter my player ID. I paused for a second just to double-check everything was correct because I didn't want to mess anything up. After confirming it, I hit the Continue button and moved on to the next step. Alright, so the next part was selecting how many banknotes I wanted to add to my account. Since this was just a test, I didn't hold back. I went straight for the highest amount available to really see if this thing works. After confirming my choice, a series of loading bars popped up on the screen. It looked like the system was processing everything step by step, and each stage had a short explanation, so it was pretty easy to understand what was going on. Right before the final step, there was a quick verification process. The instructions were simple and didn't take much time to complete. I've already gone through that part earlier, so instead of repeating it, let's jump ahead and take a look at what actually happened in the end. To find out if it actually worked, I jumped back into Last Asylum and went straight to check my banknotes. And honestly, the balance had already changed. No delays, no restarting the game. Everything was updated instantly, which I definitely didn't expect. If you enjoyed this video or found it interesting, make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss more experiments like this. Catch you in the next one.